Hello and welcome back to our channel, Health and Happiness for Life, where we explore all things natural and holistic. Today, I have an exciting topic to share with you: 10 natural remedies for common ailments. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. First, it's headache. We all get those pounding headaches, right? Well, let me tell you about a natural remedy that can bring you relief. Have you heard of lavender oil? It has incredible calming properties. Just apply a few drops to your temples, and gently massage. Voila! Watch that headache fade away. Secondly, sore throat. The dreaded sore throat. But worry not, my friends. Here's a tasty and effective remedy. Chamomile tea with a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon. The warmth soothes your throat, while honey's antibacterial properties fight off those pesky germs. Thirdly, indigestion. Indigestion got you feeling uncomfortable? Ginger to the rescue. This incredible root helps calm your stomach muscles and aids digestion. Just chew on a few slices after a meal, and say goodbye to those indigestion blues. 4. Insect bites. Ouch! Insect bites can ruin a good day, right? But here's a simple remedy: aloe vera gel. Apply a small amount to the affected area and let its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties work their magic. Bye-bye itchiness and hello to happier skin. 5. Common cold. Sniffles and congestion making you down? Let me share a secret remedy: eucalyptus oil steam. Lean over a bowl of steaming water, cover your head with a towel, and enjoy the soothing vapors. You'll be breathing easier and feeling refreshed in no time. 6. Minor burns. Oops, burned yourself while cooking? Don't fret, my friends. Lavender essential oil to the rescue. A few drops on the burn will relieve the pain, reduce scarring, and speed up the healing process. Nature's magic in a small bottle. 7. Anxiety. Our modern lives can be filled with stress and anxiety. But fear not, my dear viewers. Aromatherapy can work wonders. Try diffusing lavender or chamomile essential oils, or simply apply a few drops to your pulse points for instant relaxation and peace of mind. 8. Insomnia. Struggling to catch those zzzs? Here's a natural remedy: chamomile tea. Sip on a warm cup before bed, and let its calming properties lull you into a night of blissful sleep. Wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. 9. Muscle pain. Sore muscles after an intense workout? We've got you covered with arnica gel. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties are a perfect remedy. Gently massage the gel onto the affected area, and feel the tension melt away. Hello, relaxation. 10. Bad breath. Finally, let's tackle the embarrassment of bad breath. Chew on fresh herbs, like parsley, after meals. The chlorophyll content acts as a natural deodorizer and leaves you with fresh breath. Say goodbye to those awkward moments. And there you have it, our 10 natural remedies for common ailments. Mother Nature has blessed us with incredible resources to support our health and well-being. Remember, it's always important to consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found these natural remedies helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments section. Until next time, take care, stay natural, and be well.